Liberty stock number 50633. It's an earth chain spinner, model HD-750CL, magnetic deburring machine. Serial number 7500358.
All right, let's fire it up. Do a cycle on it. You got the two covers off the timer, just so you know what these are, off the two timers, dust covers. Bring the glass up, turn the power on. Currently 220 volts, single phase. We're powered up, and then it's just a matter of setting two timers and the two frequency controls right here. So we've got one going reverse for 1 minute, and this one going forward for 1 minute. And I'll play with these on the fly. I mean, they're set, but it kind of shows it 5.6. If you push the button, it shows you where you're, like a preset, I guess, but I just kind of set them on the fly. When I hit cycle start, we'll start with this one. It counts down 1 minute, and we'll play, like I said, play with both of the speeds. We'll turn the alarm on just for the light tower and the alarm to sing, and that's about it. That said, we can hit cycle start, and we'll go. It'll be a 2-minute cycle, basically. And you see we're at 4 hertz. Not much. To bring it up some, you'll hear it. 25. I'm moving pretty good now. 40. Moving along. Watch that, I don't want it coming out of this. Coming down. See it winding down. We'll leave it right there. Let it finish off. It's going to switch over in a second here. There it goes. This one's at 5.6. It's reversing. Goes the other way. I don't know if you got that on the camera. This is good. Yeah. It's kind of foggy, but that's going at 5.6. We'll do the same thing with this control. That'd be forward now. What are we at? 26? Yeah. Same speed, same drive, just opposite rotation for 1 minute. Stopping. I think our cycle's finished.
I would say it's finished.
I think it's finished.
Excellent.
I'm just going to turn that off. Turn off the power.
Thanks, Rob.
Gears back on, yes. Get these on there. Keep the home run timers clean. And there's that.